Hello and welcome to the March edition of the Parking Network News Roundup. I'm your host Manoj, and today we're diving into 5 standout stories that have captured our attention this past month. From AI-powered collaborations to smart city strategies, there's a lot happening across the parking and mobility industry. Let's get right into it. To kick things off, we highlight SpecifAI Parking's continued global expansion. After a busy start to the year, SpecifAI has added new clients and expanded its footprint across several markets. Their AI-powered parking intelligence platform continues to gain momentum, offering operators smart tools for revenue optimization, space management, and predictive maintenance. To tell us more about this exciting development, here's a video message from Max Ulje, Chief Commercial Officer at SpecifAI.
We've solidified our position as a market leader over the past few years in Europe, and in the US, we are accelerating fast. So we've connected about 750 locations to our platform already. And to fuel this growth, we're officially launching a dedicated US entity and local team to take our expansion to new heights. So we're here to shake up the parking industry, also in the US.
Orbility has introduced Spark, a subscription-based parking management service tailored for smaller sites. Designed to reduce upfront investment, Spark provides access to advanced functionality and dependable support, simplifying operations and helping sites tap into new revenue opportunities. Yves Schoen, CEO of Orbility, explained. We've recognized a significant gap in the market for simple, affordable, and technologically advanced parking solutions for smaller sites. Spark addresses this need by offering a subscription-based model that removes the financial barriers associated with traditional parking systems. This allows our clients to focus on their core business while we handle their parking needs and allow them to generate additional revenues from their parking spaces. Next up, EasyPark Group has partnered with Google Cloud to accelerate its AI capabilities. This collaboration is focused on making cities more livable by leveraging AI to enhance parking prediction, navigation, and driver experience. By utilizing Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform, EasyPark aims to expand its service and better manage urban mobility. Sandesh Bhatt, Chief Technology Officer at EasyPark Group, commented, "Our partnership with Google Cloud marks a significant step toward realizing our vision of creating more livable cities through technology. Together, we are redefining urban mobility, making it more convenient, efficient, and sustainable for users worldwide while enhancing employee productivity." Our next story focuses on a major product innovation from Urbiotica. Earlier this year, they launched the U-Spot IoT Surface, a new sensor that brings the same advanced technology found in their in-ground U-Spot devices, but now in an easy-to-install surface format. While this product was launched earlier in the year, Urbiotica followed up recently with a timely article comparing IoT sensors and camera-based solutions. This helped highlight the advantages of choosing the right technology for each specific urban scenario. Tanya Hosa Piretas, Marketing Manager at Urbiotica, shared. Meet Urbiotica's new U-Spot IoT Surface, the same IoT technology as the in-ground U-Spot, now with an easy surface installation. No drilling, no complex setup, just fast, cost-effective deployment. Perfect for indoor parking, rooftops, and projects with installation constraints, delivering the same high accuracy and reliability. Rezcomm is back with a fresh perspective on data strategy. Their latest article encourages parking operators, especially those in travel hubs, to make better use of their booking data. By tapping into advanced analytics and automation, operators can better understand customer behavior, optimize marketing, and improve overall performance. A timely reminder that data isn't just about numbers, it's about unlocking smarter business decisions. Sarah Marks, Director of Communication at Rezcomm, noted, "Booking data holds significant, often underused value for airports and parking operators. We work closely with our clients to move beyond basic transaction data, helping them understand traveler behavior, improve their reach, and make smarter, more timely decisions. We're looking forward to sharing more in-depth insights drawn directly from our client community to support the wider industry in making data-driven decisions that deliver measurable impact." That's a wrap for this month's Parking Network News Roundup. From AI breakthroughs to smarter data strategies and flexible infrastructure, March has brought a great mix of innovation and forward-thinking solutions. Be sure to check out all these stories and more on parking.net. Before we go, we'd like to give a quick shout out to one of the key industry events happening this year, Parken 2025, taking place in Wiesbaden. As one of the leading exhibitions focused on the planning, construction, and operation of parking facilities, it's a great opportunity to connect with key players in the industry. We're proud to be partnering with Parken and look forward to seeing many of you there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next month for another episode of the Parking Network News Roundup.